Booty shake, booty shake, booty shake, booty shake.
I got concentrate on just doing that. Let's just concentrate on you doing the booty shake.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am a little emotional and this video is all about saying goodbye to my friends, especially Aaron, Vishnu and Nia and some other friends because they are off for the internship. And yeah, it's over. Only Naji, for Najina it's not over. As for everyone else it's over.
Excited, but yet nervous and stuff. Leaving people behind. Oh my god.
I'm gonna be sad, of course, because I don't wanna leave this room.
Aww. Cheers, cheers, cheers to new beginnings. We are here for our vaccination. Marcel, Lucerne, me and Vishnu.
Hi.
Here. We are done. We got vaccinated. Ulta hai. Yeah. And now we have to come back for our second dose, which is again on the same day, so it's good. And yeah. Oh my god! Booty shake, booty shake, booty shake, booty shake.
I got concentrate on just doing that. Let's just concentrate on you doing the booty shake.
So guys, I just want to give you a little update on how it feels like after the vaccination. So it's almost 7 here. It's been 9 hours since I got vaccinated, and this hand is it's absolutely frozen. It's hurting a lot, in the sense if I try to like raise it more than this, I cannot do it because it hurts a lot. But I took Moderna. So the vaccine that you're taking in India, there are a lot of side effects, in the sense that you're getting fever and fatigue and all of that. That here is happening after the second dose. Like the side effects are for the second dose, but it's not so much for the first dose. For the first dose, generally what people are getting is this pain in the arm, which feels like somebody's punched you and you cannot raise it. And what people are getting is a mild headache or maybe a migraine in some people's case, like if they suffer from migraines. I do get migraines, so I don't know if this will increase the chances of me getting a migraine or not. But yeah, arm is hurting a lot. So that is the side effect of the Moderna vaccine so far that I'm seeing. Achar, what you will miss? Tell me.
No, don't record it. I have a lot of pimples on my face.
I can barely see. But say what you're going to miss. Talk about that.
I will miss you so much. Don't record it. I'm so stupid now.
मतलब भाई you can't close the suitcase.
You sit, Aaron, maybe.
No, if I said it'll break.
Do you have something that can break inside, Valerie? Any boxes? Or... Only clothes. Okay, then I'll sit.
Okay, I'm going to Malton.
Tape hai.
Can you say something wrong?
Case of the overstuffed bag, which is now broken by.
The one and only. Yeah.
Yeah, but at least I can.
Hi, Valerie.
Bye bye.
We will miss you.
We miss you too.
Aww.
Thank you guys so much.
Bye. Bye, Kabir. Say your last before you go.
It was a good time. 6 months, 7 months together. So it is.
Bye. This is our last walk together. The 4 of us.
No, four of us. Astaghfirullah, this guy's listening skills also very bad.
Simba doesn't want you, Nia. Simba, don't go.
Yeah.
Okay then. Have a nice goodbye, Simba.
Yeah.
We found a cherry tree while walking. Things you'll find in Switzerland. Wait, before you break.
Okay, now leave the other one.
Ah, so many. Look at these. Just show nicely. Straight from a tree. Fucking awesome. Ooh. 3, 2. No, just a bite. Yeah.
It's already. I'm already filming it.
That's okay. 3, 2, 1. It's sour, but I like it.
I got that on camera.
This really like it. I want your reaction. It's nice, no? Guys, are these blueberries? I'm not able to tell, and I don't want to eat.
My parents are still forcing me to
What? Oh yeah, they are. So turns out that those were not blueberries, and if we would have eaten them, it would have hurt our stomach. So okay. Can you hold it? Then all 4 of us can come.
Mia, how's your last evening at BHMS?
Yeah.
Be loud. I don't know, mixed feelings.
Don't drop my phone in the
Oh
water.
shit, this is not going anywhere.
You know, I remember this specifically time where we were having lunch on this term, and then we were having a fun laughter, and then Miss Karen came to us and said like, I'm sure you guys will miss each other after this event. And I was like, at that time I was like, but we will see each other again.
Yeah.
But at this time I was thinking like, yeah, we will miss you guys.
Yeah. Aaron, what about you?
What about me? I'm not going tomorrow, so it's okay.
But you're going after that. Like, this is the last time the 4 of us are together.
Okay.
That's it, nothing. Don't hide your emotions.
No, it was fun with all of us together, yeah. I'm definitely gonna miss hanging out every day, but I know we'll still meet each other, so it's fine. Yeah.
You sure?
Amen.
Anything?
I will meet everyone. Definitely.
When will you meet?
What did I say in English just now?
When will you meet? But
Maybe not together, but I will meet in group.
Oh, we can all do that. We're talking about
just
the group,
4 of us
the group.
being together,
Yeah.
We can take any particular day leave and
Yeah, but depends the day off.
Yeah.
asking to take the leave.
Vacations.
Oh yeah.
Ah, you guys should not do that to me. I'll go to Dubai. I have to use my vacations for Dubai. You can't do that to
Then
me.
don't use all of
Then you
it.
can
Yeah. Keep some.
Yeah, I'll not use all of it. I'll use 1 week maybe. Coming, you're coming?
Oh, Vishnu. Leave it. Just stop.
Hot chocolate. Cheers. One last time. Nia is going today. And then these two are going tomorrow.
And Ankita is in room 605.
Yeah, this is not goodbye, guys.
Can you do this awkwardness once again, please? For the.
This is not goodbye. This is see you later. Oh God, no! I can't seriously.
Could you get more awkward?
No, I cannot. Oh my God, I'm not good at this stuff. I told you.
So it's the day when Nia is leaving. I do not wish to cry, so I'm laughing.
You just laugh with me.
So I'm going. Come down.
So some last packing.
Yeah. Sorry about this.
How are you feeling, Vishnu? How are you feeling?
I'm so tired.
Tired. But are you excited about your new internship? Why?
I don't want to leave.
You don't want to leave BHMS?
No. Actually, I have accommodation to be specific.
How much will you miss me?
100%.
Definitely.
Problem with math students, they always put it in figures.
You put it.
I'll miss you a lot. I can't explain, okay?
The last BHMS tea with the boys.
Maybe when we reach there, we will understand, like, we left HMS now.
Guys, this is Shams. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hello. Bye.
Hello and bye. This is our first time and we don't know when would be the next time.
Yeah, I hope soon.
Hope so. Boys are checking out of BHMS.
This room.
Yeah.
Yeah, the room. Going to internship. They're not going home, guys, so don't message us asking if they've gone back to India.
How do you feel?
I want to do the same.
So glad they are going. I hate it.
No forever, guys.
I hate it. But I'm not gonna cry. Because I know you're waiting.
Okay, guys.
Do well.
Yeah.
Know your ingredients.
Yeah.
You look after him, you look after him.
You look after yourself.
That's the most important.
I'll be Okay. Bye bye. I'll go outside before. We have to buy the ticket.
Attention, picture
inside.
eyes.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye.